and today I'm going to cook a Japanese favorite, teriyaki chicken. This is a recipe I found on thecomfortofcooking.com. I've assembled the necessary ingredients to make the teriyaki chicken. You have your 2 pounds of chicken, your apple cider vinegar, your low sodium soy sauce, you have your ground ginger, you have your sesame seed, brown rice, black peppercorn, chopped garlic, cornstarch, and water. I've measured out the necessary ingredients for the teriyaki chicken. We have a ½ cup of the sugar, a ½ cup of the soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar. We have a ½ teaspoon of the ground ginger, 1 clove of the garlic, and 1/8 teaspoon of the black pepper. Now I'm going to combine all the ingredients into the slow cooker or the crock pot. Now I'm going to use the whisk to mix all the ingredients. I am now going to add the chicken into the mixture on the bottom of the crock pot. We will need to cook the chicken on high for about 3 to 4 hours. After dealing with chicken, you have to remember to always wash your hands before dealing with anything else. I've made sure that the chicken is well coated in the mixture. Now all we have to do is put the lid on. I have time to play some volleyball, about 3 to 4 hours, and I'll come back. See you soon. Hello, I'm back. So I cut up the chicken, perfect by the way. I put it in a little bowl. Then now I'm doing the sauce. I'm gonna bring it to a boil. The sauce is from the crock pot. Then once it's to a boil, I'm gonna stir in the cornstarch and water, and it should make a little bit better mixture. Okay, so now I'm adding the cornstarch and water to the mixture, and it should 1 to 2 minutes get a little bit thicker. Thickened just perfect as I wanted it. I'm just gonna add a little more. I like to garnish it with scallions, so I'm gonna put a little bit on there. And some sesame seeds. I know this is a Japanese dish, but bon appetit! Thank you for being in the kitchen with me. Ellie Wood. See you next time.